Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will talk about the on-demand delivery feature and how the customer app and the delivery boy app works in it. Let's start with making a booking through the customer app. First, open the on-demand delivery app on your device. Go to on-demand delivery option, enter your location, and now enter the drop location, where the package is to be delivered. Next, you will see the minimum time duration for delivery, distance, different vehicle modes, and their price. You can select your desired vehicle type and budget. If you have a discount, tap Apply Coupon. Now, enter the coupon code and tap Apply Now. Once you are finished, you can choose to book it for now or for later. Here, we will be booking it for now. Tap Book Now. Now you need to provide a few details: receiver details, sender details, and shipment type. In receiver details, provide the receiver's name, phone number, and address. In sender details, provide sender's name, phone number, and address. In shipment type, select document or non-document. If you select document type, then you have to enter the number of documents. And if you select non-document type, you need to select the type of content. Here we will go with non-document type. Next, select the type of content. Once you are done, tap Confirm. Now select your preferred payment method from the available options. You can go for cash on delivery, PayPal payment, or pay via credit or debit card. Here we will go with cash on delivery. Tap Confirm to move ahead. You will see a booking received message. Now you need to wait till the delivery boy confirms your booking. On the delivery boy's side, they will receive a notification about the new booking. On tapping the notification, it'll ask the delivery boy to accept or reject the booking. Once the delivery boy taps Accept, the customer will receive a message saying that their booking is confirmed with an estimated picking up time. Customers will then be redirected to the payment confirmation screen, where they can check the booking details. They can even call the driver and track the delivery by tapping Track Location. Customers can even check the order history by going back to the app's homepage and tapping the drop-down arrow menu. Tap on the order to see the order status. When the delivery boy picks up the order, he or she will tap Picked Up. The customer side will then receive a message saying that the booking has been successfully picked up with the tracking option. Now, the delivery boy will be redirected to the On the Way drop screen, where he or she can check the drop-off location, sender's name, estimated charges, booking ID, distance, and time. The customer can now track the delivery. The delivery boy can tap View Booking to check the order details. When the delivery boy has reached the destination you requested, they will click I have reached. The customer will then receive another message saying that the booking has been successfully dropped. As the payment mode is cash on delivery, the delivery boy will be redirected to Payment Details screen. Once he or she collects the payment, they will need to tick mark the paid checkbox and then tap Finish Booking. The customer will then receive a notification saying that the booking has been successfully completed and will see the delivery status as completed. The delivery boy can go to Delivery History from the home menu and check the history of all the deliveries completed by them, including the payment. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.